Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's get started. First measure word is 排. Pai is used for counting things or people lined up in a non-specific direction as a whole. It's similar to a row of something. Let's see the examples of 排. 一排椅子. 一排椅子. It means one. 椅子 means chairs. 一排房子. 一排房子. It means one. 房子 means houses. So you can see one row of chairs, one row of houses. And next, the second measure word is 行. Háng is used for counting words or numbers that are lined up horizontally as a whole. In a spreadsheet and in books, 行 means rows in horizontal. Let's see the examples. 一行字. 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 It means one. 字 means words. 一行数字. 一行数字. It means one. 数字 means numbers. The third measure word is 栏. Lan is used for counting words or blanks that are lined up in a vertical as a whole. In a spreadsheet and in books, lan means columns in vertical. We can see the examples here. 一栏数字. 一栏数字. It means one. 数字 means numbers. 一栏空格. 一栏空格. It means one. 空格 means blanks. So it's one column of numbers, one column of blanks. And the fourth measure word is 列. Lie is used for counting things or people are lined up vertically as a whole. In a spreadsheet, 列 means a column too. Examples of 列. 一列火车. 一列火车. It means one. 火车 means train. 一列空格. 一列空格. 一 means one. 空格 means blanks. The fifth measure word is chuàn. Chuàn is used for counting things that are strung together by threads or by bamboo sticks or naturally strung together such as grapes, bananas. And there are some examples of 串. 一串糖葫芦. 一串糖葫芦. 一 means one. 糖葫芦 is a traditional northern Chinese snack consisting of several rock sugar coated fruits of Chinese hawthorn on a bamboo skewer. 一串项链. 一串项链. 一 means one. 项链 means necklace. 两串葡萄. 两串葡萄. 两 means two. 葡萄 means grapes. 三串香蕉. 三串香蕉. 三 means three. 香蕉 means bananas. The sixth measure word is 叠.叠is used for things that are stacked or piled up as a whole, such as a pile or a stack of peppers. And here are the examples. 一叠纸. 一叠纸. It means one. 纸 means peppers. 一叠书. 一叠书. It means one. 书 means books. So it's one pile of papers and one pile of books. 两叠钞票. 两叠钞票. 两 means two. 钞票 means banknotes. So it's two piles of banknotes. And next, the seventh measure word is 堆. 堆is used for things they are untidily piled up like a heap, a bunch of. So this measure word comparing the previous one, 叠. So the difference between the previous measure word we just introduced, the measure word 叠, and this measure word 堆, what's the difference? What's the difference between them? 叠 is mainly used for those stuff that already be arranged to piles in neat piles. But 堆 is used for things that are untidily piled up like a heap. So let's see the examples. 一堆垃圾, 一堆垃圾. It means one. 垃圾 means garbages. So you can see the pictures. It is a pile of garbages. You can see these garbages, they are not piled up neatly, look like a little heap. And next example is 一堆人, 一堆人. It means one. 人 means people. So let's see here. This one is a bit special because the people is not piled up, right? So, but in this phrase, 一堆人, 一堆人 means like a lot of people, a bunch of people. And next example, 一堆零钱, 一堆零钱. It means one. 零钱 means coins, changes. And the eighth measure word is 袋. 袋. 袋 is used for things in a bag, which has an opening, or in a sack, or in a paper bag, counting for how many bags of something. Adjectives like big and small can be placed before 袋 to indicate it's a big bag or a small bag of something. Examples of 袋. 一袋面粉, 一袋面粉. It means one. 面粉 means flour. 一袋马铃薯, 一袋马铃薯. It means one. 马铃薯 means potatoes. The ninth measure word is 包. 包. 包 is used for things in packs or bags that usually are sealed. Let's see the examples. 一包香烟, 一包香烟. It means one. 香烟 means cigarettes. 一包薯片, 一包薯片. It means one. 薯片 means chips. So here are one pack of cigarettes and one bag of chips. So we can see these two examples, cigarettes and chips. Their packagings are all sealed. And the next example, 一包卫生纸, 一包卫生纸. It means one. 卫生纸 means tissues. So this example also, tissues basically are sealed for sale, right? So this measure word is used for those stuff that are in bags. The 10th measure word is 箱. 箱. 箱 is used for counting things that are packed in boxes, usually in cardboard boxes. Examples of 箱, 一箱啤酒, 一箱啤酒. It means one. 啤酒 means beers. 一箱柠檬, 一箱柠檬. It means one. 柠檬 means lemons. Lastly, the 11th measure word is 盒. 盒. 盒 is used for counting things that are packed in proper boxes. Plastic, wooden, metal boxes, or boxes that can be used for containing food such as a milk carton box. But the stuff that are used by this measure word normally are smaller boxes. Examples of 盒, 一盒巧克力, 一盒巧克力 It means one. 巧克力 means chocolate. 一盒牛奶一盒牛奶 It means one. 牛奶 means milk. So it's one box of chocolates and one carton of milk. So we can see the stuff that use this measure word 盒 are normally food and in smaller box size. And next, 一盒豆腐一盒豆腐 It means one. 豆腐 means tofu. So this measure word is mainly used for the stuff, the food are packed in the proper boxes, but smaller boxes, and normally the stuff is food. So that's it over today. We hope that you enjoy learning Chinese, and we hope you've learned something from this video. And if our videos have helped you, please give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.